Today, we're diving deep into some fascinating AI model research that I've been conducting, pushing the boundaries of what large language models can generate. Our journey began with Test 1, the Checkers Challenge. The goal was simple, yet surprisingly difficult for many models. Make an HTML with vanilla CSS and JS, all in one file, displaying a full checkers board with an AI opponent, a game menu, and using camel casing. No external APIs, just raw code generation. In this first round, we saw some impressive results. Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro and Gemini 2.5 Flash really shined, both scoring a fantastic 95 out of 100. They generated fully functional games with great-looking UIs. OpenAI's GPT 4.1 Mini also performed exceptionally well, delivering a fully functional game, scoring 90 out of 100. Even GPT-4o managed an 80, delivering a functional game, though with a less polished UI. Building on our first test, we upped the ante with Test 2, the Chess Gauntlet. This time, the prompt was significantly more complex. Create a single-file HTML chess game with vanilla CSS and JS, including a functional AI opponent, a game menu, and highlighting of legal moves. We also disqualified any models that scored 50 or less in the first test and introduced new contenders from Anthropic, DeepSeek, and Meta. The results of Test 2 were quite interesting. This time, O3 from OpenAI took the crown, scoring 90 out of 100. It generated a fully functional chess game with a simple yet modern and great-looking UI, following almost all chess rules correctly. Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro and Gemini 2.5 Flash also performed reasonably well, scoring 60 and 55 respectively, with functional games, though some UI aspects like board alignment or piece visibility could be improved. Now, for the ultimate challenge, Test 3, Quantum System Simulation. This prompt was extremely difficult. The models had to simulate quantum systems. This included accurate atomic models for multiple elements. For this test, we disqualified any LLMs that scored 50 or less in Test 2. After the disqualifications, our contenders for this quantum leap were O3, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Gemini 2.5 Flash. Gemini 2.5 Pro scored 50 out of 100. It generated a simulation that looks great, with visible electron shells, well-rendered cores, and impressive quantum entanglement animation. Gemini 2.5 Flash scored 25. While similar to Gemini 2.5 Pro, its quantum entanglement visualization didn't follow the atoms correctly, and electron misalignment was more pronounced. Unfortunately, O3, despite its strong performance in Test 2, only scored 20 in this round. The attempt ran correctly, but the visual output wasn't ideal and didn't fully meet all the prompt's requirements for visual accuracy.